अच्छा, और ये फिर मुझे ये बताओ कि प्रोफेशनली
Mhm.
वुमेन सपोर्टिंग वुमेन, डू you believe in that, or what is your experience so far?
So I did a little bit research for this topic because I really believe in the science and kind of what that says. Apparently, there's research that women, female mentoring female, there's a lot of strength in that.
Hmm.
So research shows कि अगर आपको female mentorship मिल जाए काम पे तो that really helps boost your career. A lot of weightage on that for emotional and mental support. ठीक है. Personally, I see kind of a queen bee impact जिसको कहते हैं कि as women kind of rise in their status, I feel like they kind of almost like isolate themselves a little bit.
Hmm.
थोड़ा सा बाकियों से एक distance कर लेते हैं. They feel like they have to have a higher status than other women around them. But मैंने ये देखा है in my observation that was more evidence, right? ठीक है. लेकिन मैंने ये देखा है कि as women rise in status, ठीक है,
Hmm.
at workplaces, एक
Hmm.
kind of queen bee complex सा आ जाता है.
Oh,
Some women around them, I don't know. तुम्हें लगता है कभी-कभी ऐसा है कि basically
if I share my experience with you, I think I had a mix of everything. Some of the women, like, ladies, they are very friendly, they'll be really helpful no matter what the professional status they have. Either they are like your manager, or your just same as level as you. Okay, I think it's a myth saying ke because they have the authority or they are managers or something, only then they can be rude. ऐसा नहीं होता. समटाइम जो इन जनरल जो वर्क कोलीग्स होते हैं, बेशक दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट में भी होते हैं, दे कैन बी रूड टू यू. मुझे बल्कि ऐसा लगता है कि जो आपकी मैनेजर्स हैं, इफ दे आर फीमेल, दे ट्राई टू बी एज पोलाइट एज पॉसिबल. मुझे लगता है क्वीन बी एक्सपीरियंस वहाँ होता है जहाँ पे, जैसे मैंने कहा, कि जिन खवातीन को बहुत टाइम हो चुका होता है ना सेम कंपनी में, वो समझती हैं कि वी हैव द अथॉरिटी टू टॉक विच एवर वे वी वांट टू.